Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's do the big leg circles with your back bend stretch on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the big leg circles, these took me a really long time to kind of get comfortable with. I really had like a hip click around them and I was having a hard time controlling it. And also I'm hypermobile, so it's really easy for me to kind of like hang off of the pole. And so it took me some time. So if that's you, don't be scared. Really work your back bend stretch. If you're hanging in your back bend stretch, you're not going to build the strength that you need. So really do give yourself permission to work that arm back connection. This would typically come after small circles or at least after a few back bend stretches. So let's transition into that. So your feet are hips, more than hips distance apart, parallel, sacrum's on the barrel. You would have done a few of these back bend stretches. And then you got to the point where you're reaching for that third or fourth rung. And then you reach your legs together. Now you may have done the small circles already. And so now you're ready for the big circles. I'm going to reach my legs up, open, and around together. And so I'm doing these big circles, but I'm not hanging off of my arms. And I'm working my legs from my center. So it should not feel like it's coming from only your hip flexors. Then you set your feet down, take your arms up, round forward, pulse 3 times. Use those pulses as a counter stretch. Whenever there was a big back bend, Joe was really interested in you doing a counter stretch to that. So isn't it brilliant how those counter stretches work in there? Kind of. And your circles can be even bigger. Like if you could get them up, as long as they're controlled and they're coming from your center, that's great. If they need to be lower and smaller, that's also fine. As long as you're moving from your center and you're not going, this is my circle. It's always like this. Every day I'm always exploring oh, that was too big for me. Oh, let me make it a little smaller. Oh, I actually got the strength there. Now let me make it bigger. Like you're got to go within and be curious in your practice. And you want to work the whole body the whole time. Otherwise, it's going to feel icky on your back. Okay, so if it feels icky on your back, something's hanging from somewhere. If you have questions about this, put them in the comments below. I go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. Also, if you're an OPC member, I can actually give you feedback on your form so we can actually talk about it in a way that supports you and makes the answer personalized to you. So go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Thank you so much.